Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the mean and standard deviation using Excel. So the first thing we're going to do is plug in the numbers. So the numbers are here on the left. Let's type them in. So 7, 10, 12, 15, 1, and 22. Now that we have the numbers typed in, all we have to do is go to the data key. So I've already gone there. I'm already at the data tab. Then you want to go over here to where it says data analysis. Now, if you don't see data analysis when you go to data, you do have to enable it. You can simply do that by going to File, then you go to Options, then you go to Add-ins. It's already enabled, but you would click it and then you would click on Go, and then you would make sure it's checked. I'll do that again. I did that really quickly. It's File, Options, go to Add-ins, and then click on the tool pack and click on Go. So again, I'll assume you have it, and if you don't, again, it's File, one more time, why not? Options, click on Add-ins, and then click on the tool pack and click on Go. So click on Data Analysis, and it says Descriptive Statistics. That's what you want to check, so click OK. Now you want to highlight the data, so I'm just going to highlight it like this by holding down the left mouse button. Click on Summary Statistics, which is already checked. Click OK. And there we have it. We have the mean and standard deviation of the data set. So the mean is right here, and the standard deviation is right there. I hope this video has been helpful.